egunon, good morning everyone, gaur martxoak 20, komentatzea bi gauza. Alde batetik, gure ikastetxearen online irakas da prozesu aurrera eramateko, zuzendaritzak, ikuskaritzak eta IKT arduradunek, baliabide batzuk eman dizkigute, Google Drive dokumentu bat daukagu, nun ikaslei jakinarazi behar dizu egun, tutoren bezala eta bai irakasle bezala, zer lan egin behar diren aste hontan, nun daukazuen informazioan, ere kasuan YouTubeko kanal hontan, eta noizko izango den, vale? Which work you have to finish, where is the information in my YouTube channel, and the final deadlines for that works. So, tximeleten, ariketa hau, this is the example that I've been drawing at home, okay? I use the watercolor techniques, and here we have the very thin outline of the butterfly, and here we have the tiled butterfly. This is the example of the page 45 and unit 4, shapes. We continue drawing shapes, okay? Koronavirusaren marrazki hau eta tximeletena martxoaren 25erako dira. Vale? The deadline of these exercises is 25th of March. So finish at home. Well, most of you finish and you send me, but the final deadline is the 25th of March. And you ask me more time for this project. This is the drawing of the 4 advices given by the government to avoid the coronavirus. And you are asking me for more time. You need more time to finish this one. Yeah. This one is more difficult, so you have to draw the 4 advices, and you need time. So this exercise, the deadline of this exercise is the 27th of March. Hau, denbora pixka gehiago eskatzen ari zarete, eta ematen dizuet ostiralera arte bukatzeko. So, that's all. We continue at home, we continue insulated, we are alone at home, and we continue working online. So, keep in touch in my YouTube channel, subscribe, and thumbs up if you like the information. Eskerrik asko ikasleai jarraitzeagatik nire klaseak hemen YouTube kanale honetatik, eta besterik gabe kontaktuan jarraitzen dugu. Agur, besarkadak bergaratik.